Hey there, bike dreamers and pedal enthusiasts. Ever felt the itch to hop on a bike but didn't know where to start? Maybe you've seen others zooming by and thought, I wish I could do that. Welcome to Healthy Hustle Journey, your ultimate cycling guide. Whether you're new or experienced, we've got tips, tricks, and expert advice for everyone. Picking up cycling can seem overwhelming with all the choices and gear, but don't worry, we're here to simplify it for you. Imagine cruising through the city, feeling the breeze and leaving traffic behind. It's not just a dream, it's achievable. Whether you want to feel the wind, get fit, or avoid traffic jams, we've got the scoop on how to start. It's easier than you think. We'll break down health perks, essential gear, and pro tips to make your ride smooth and affordable. Grab your imaginary helmet and let's dive into cycling basics, insider secrets, and safety tips. You'll be ready to hit the road with confidence. From bike types to balance, we've got you covered. Safety is key and will ensure you're well prepared. We'll explore the best routes, whether in the city or nature. This video is your guide to commuting, exploring, and having fun. Ready to transform from a couch potato to a cycling hero? Let's get those wheels spinning and make every ride an adventure. Stay tuned and let's pedal our way to greatness. So, what are you waiting for? Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Get ready to unlock the secrets of cycling and become a true cycling hero. What's the deal with cycling anyway? Well, apart from looking cool on the streets, cycling's a powerhouse for your health. You get a stronger heart, better mood, and you can wave goodbye to that gym membership. Picture this, just by pedaling, you could reduce your risk of heart disease by nearly 50%. Running not for you? That's okay. Cycling is super gentle on the knees. Yep, it's basically happiness on wheels. Ready for motivation? Here's what other cyclists say about how biking changed their lives. And let's not forget the calorie burn. You can munch on that extra slice of pizza guilt-free. Rain or shine, cycling's got your back. It's an all-weather friend. So hop on your bike and unleash your inner cycling hero. All right, what gear do you need to get started? Let's dive into the essentials. Don't worry, you don't need a super expensive bike. A basic bike will do just fine to get you rolling. Road, mountain, and hybrid bikes each have their own strengths. Road bikes are great for speed, mountain bikes for rugged trails, and hybrids for a bit of both. Helmets are a must. Safety first, think of it as your superhero cape. But for your head, adjusting your seat height is crucial for comfort and efficiency. Aim for a slight bend in your knee at the bottom of the pedal stroke. Gloves can save your hands from blisters and improve grip, plus they make you look like a pro. Hydration is key. A water bottle and cage are essential to keep you refreshed on the go. Don't forget bike lights for visibility. You want to be seen, not just heard. And finally, a good bike lock to keep your rides safe. Because nobody wants to walk home in cycling shoes. With your gear ready, let's plan your first ride. Remember, a simple, safe route is key for beginners. You don't want to end up lost in the wilderness or dodging traffic like a video game character. Select a flat, safe route, like a park trail or bike lane away from busy streets. Think of it as your personal tour de neighborhood. Quick checks before every ride, tires, brakes, and chain. You don't want to be that person calling for a rescue because of a flat tire. Display essentials like a first aid kit, snacks, and ID. And don't forget water. Hydration is key unless you want to end up like a raisin on wheels. Warm up with some stretches and light exercises. Your muscles will thank you and you'll look like a pro. Finally, have fun. Smile, wave to fellow cyclists, and enjoy the ride. You're not just cycling, you're embarking on an adventure. Part 4, Cycling Tips for Comfort and Efficiency. Now, let's go over some essential tips to make cycling easier, more efficient, and definitely more comfortable. First off, make sure your bike fits you like a glove. A poorly fitted bike is like wearing shoes 2 sizes too small, painful and awkward. Visit a professional for a fitting if needed. Good posture. Relax your shoulders, keep elbows slightly bent, and maintain a steady back. Imagine you're balancing a book on your head. It's all about that regal posture. This will help you ride longer without discomfort. Pedaling technique. Aim for smooth, even pedal strokes, almost like dancing. Think of yourself as a graceful swan gliding across a lake, not a frantic duck flapping its wings. Consistency in your pedal strokes will improve your efficiency, speed and balance. Keep your speed steady to stay in control. Remember, you're not in a race with a cheetah. It's about consistency, not speed. A steady pace helps you conserve energy and ride longer distances. Hydration and stretching. Keep hydrated and take breaks to stretch. Your muscles will thank you and you'll avoid turning into a human pretzel. Regular hydration and stretching are key to preventing cramps and injuries. Safety first, use hand signals and always be aware of your surroundings. You're not just a cyclist, you're a road ninja, stealthy and alert. Being predictable and visible to others on the road is crucial for your safety. Finally, have fun. Cycling should be enjoyable. Smile, wave at fellow cyclists, and remember you're a hero on two wheels. Enjoy the journey and the freedom that comes with it. Part 5, Beginner Training Plan. Here's a simple training plan to gradually improve your cycling skills. And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your cycling prowess be. Week 1, take it slow ride twice a week, 20 to 30 minutes each time to get a feel for it. Think of it as a gentle introduction, like dipping your toes in the water before diving in. Week 2, increase ride time. Ride 3 times a week, adding 10 minutes each time to build endurance. You're not just a couch potato anymore, you're a couch potato with a mission. Week 3, find your rhythm. Focus on a steady pedal rhythm and longer ride times. Imagine you're a metronome on wheels, keeping a perfect beat. Week 4, try new terrain, add some mild slopes to test your new skills. It's like leveling up in a video game, but with more sweat and fewer dragons. By the end of week 4, you'll be ready to tackle new challenges and enjoy the ride. Remember, every pedal stroke is a step closer to becoming a cycling hero. Part 6, Cycling Myths Busted. Now let's bust a few common cycling myths and set the record straight. There are so many misconceptions out there that can discourage people from enjoying this wonderful activity. Myth 1, cycling makes your legs bulky. Actually, cycling just gives you toned, lean muscles. You won't end up looking like a bodybuilder unless you're also lifting heavy weights and eating like one, so pedal away without fear. Cycling primarily works on endurance, which helps in building lean muscle mass rather than bulk. Myth 2, you need special bike clothes. Comfortable clothing is what really matters. Sure, those tight lycra outfits might make you feel like a pro, but you can ride just as well in your favorite t-shirt and shorts. Just make sure you're comfortable and can move freely. The key is to wear something that doesn't restrict your movement and keeps you cool. Myth 3, only young people can ride. Cycling is for all ages. Whether you're a kid learning to ride for the first time, a teenager commuting to school, an adult staying fit, or a senior enjoying the outdoors, cycling is a fantastic activity for everyone. Age is just a number when it comes to two wheels. It's a lifelong skill that can be enjoyed at any stage of life. Myth 4, cycling is only for good weather. Rain or shine, you can ride. With the right gear, like a good rain jacket and fenders, you can enjoy cycling in all kinds of weather. And if you get a flat tire, it's not the end of the world. A quick fix and you're back on the road. Learning basic bike maintenance can make a huge difference. Myth 5, cycling is too hard. Cycling can be as easy or as challenging as you make it. Start with flat roads and short distances and gradually build up your stamina. Before you know it, you'll be conquering hills and enjoying long rides. Remember, every pedal stroke counts. It's all about setting your own pace and enjoying the journey. Part 7, real-life benefits of cycling. Still on the fence? Cycling has benefits beyond just health. It can change your life. Boosts energy. Most people feel more energized after a ride, sometimes even reducing the need for coffee. Imagine swapping your morning espresso for a brisk ride. Your wallet and your barista might miss you, but your body will thank you. Money saver, cycling, instead of commuting, can save quite a bit on transportation costs. Think of all the money you'll save on gas, parking, and car maintenance. Plus, you'll never have to worry about finding a parking spot again. Great for socializing. Cycling groups make it easy to meet new friends and have fun together. Whether you're joining a local cycling club or just riding with friends, it's a fantastic way to stay connected and share some laughs. Plus, you'll have plenty of stories to tell about your cycling adventures. All right, enough talk. It's time for a challenge. This week, hop on a bike for just 20 minutes and feel the difference. Whether you're riding around the block or exploring a new trail, just get those wheels moving. And hey, don't forget to share your journey with us in the comments below. Hit subscribe, like, and let's make those wheels spin. Happy riding. Remember, every pedal stroke counts. You're not just riding a bike, you're joining a community of cycling enthusiasts. Got any tips or tricks for fellow riders? Drop them in the comments. We love hearing from you. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, enjoy the ride, and let's make every journey an adventure. Happy cycling!